G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is launch day for May Masterclass and I am making probably my most requested pattern of all time, and that is a large art doll deer. Now I made one of these with full antlers probably about 15 years ago, and this is the one that everybody has been asking for, and I'm actually so glad you did continue pestering me about this one because I've completely fallen in love with this pattern all over again. I've made up some changes, but those beautiful antlers are a real work of art. I think you're going to love those. And this is a very creative project. It's very much what I would call an interior doll, meaning you can create it in very neutral tones and it will fit in really well with your home decor. So not so much a storybook doll, but you can do that if you want to. I've kept mine kind of mid-range. He's dressed in beautiful forest greens and browns, quite neutral, but still quite strong colours. You can do whatever you like with yours. Let's take a closer look at my beautiful little boy. So here is my beautiful little deer boy, and he really is a dear little boy. He's just come up so soft. Such a little sweetheart. I've dressed him lovely and warm with some lovely plaid, some fleece, and how about that beautiful little bag? You get all of those patterns. We go through all of the tutorials to make the beautiful little tote bag, and very rustic in design in that applique. Some gorgeous mushrooms. Let me show you the mushrooms. They're just fantastic in two different sizes. You can even make these just to have in a basket in your home. You can keep him super neutral. You can make him very storybook. We go through making those beautiful antlers. There's a couple of options for the antlers, and we make some gorgeous new boots. As I said, the bag, the little mushrooms, and we also have the bag and the mushrooms up here on Pay It Forward for you all, because I know that so many of you will want to make those up. Just for children, you can certainly on-sell those little bags at craft fairs and markets and so on, or online stores, so I encourage you to do that. So I've really enjoyed this one. He's a great size. He barely fits on camera. But he's just been a joy to make. There's some lovely detailing that we do, and everything is jointed, so it's a good month this month. No sewing ears on, everyone. So thanks for having a look at him. I hope you love him. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you do with yours. So I told you I'd fallen for him. He's such a little cuddly thing. I don't know why. He's just been absolutely, it's been a real bonding experience with me and this doll this month. It's been a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoy making yours. If you haven't joined Masterclass, I'll put the links down below. You can certainly come and join our Facebook page as well. See what everybody else is making with my patterns. Those links are down below as well. And I would love to see somebody take this to real primitive neutrals. Somebody do that for me. I've got in mind a couple of you who would love to do that. So I'd like to see that. I'd like to do that myself. I don't quite have the time, but I've enjoyed putting this one together in these sorts of at least foresty tones. I hope you've enjoyed seeing him. I have got for you on Pay It Forward his little bag and his mushrooms. So you can make that up. This is a great little bag to give as gifts. This is great for a little child's crossbody bag. And if you go through my patterns, you'll see that there's all sorts of different little applique pieces that you could apply to this bag. So be creative, change it up. That's what I love to see, people playing with my patterns. So loving what I'm seeing on our Facebook page at the moment. Really amazing work, just astounding work. I'm absolutely surprised that there's more people in the world like me who think like me, and we all get together and get joy out of doing the same thing. So keep sharing the Pay It Forward YouTube channel for me so that we get the news out there. We need people to avail themselves of all of this creative fun. And remember to have a fantastic creative week, everybody. And I will talk to you all very soon. In the meantime, keep on paying all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.